Let's take a look inside Box AI Studio, where you'll see how a public sector agency built a custom agent to help with their contract reviews. Here we are in this custom agent, and we already have a description. Now, since we're operating in a FedRAMP environment, let's select GPT-5 to ensure full compliance. Next, let's take a look at the custom instructions. The agency can tell the custom agent exactly what to do and what not to do. The more granular they get, the more precise the agent gets. They can even create custom prompts so users can run consistent queries with a single click. Access is tightly controlled. Only authorized users can run or create agents. Now, let's see it in action. Here's a contract file. Instead of reading through pages of legal language, we can just ask our custom contract review agent. We can easily select one of the prompts that's provided, and in seconds, it's already gone ahead and summarized key provisions. It's citing back to the exact clauses in the document. We can see the citations down here below, and we can easily copy this to our clipboard to put in another document. This is the impact of custom agents built with AI Studio: compliant, transparent, and fast.